Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are crocheting this mesh hair bow. All the required items will be mentioned in the description box below. I am using an acrylic yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. First of all, we will start with by making a slip knot. This is how you will hold your yarn and then pinch your two fingers and then slip it. So you will get a knot out of it. Now take your crochet hook and you have to chain 51, and to chain 51 I am showing it in the video that how you have to hold the yarn and grab it. The loop created will be the chains: 2 chain, 3 chain, 4 chains done, then again 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Continue doing this till chain 51. Here I have completed 51 chains and this is how it looks. Now chain 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In total you have chain 56. Okay. Now from there only count 7 chains and skip those 7 chains. Okay, these 7 chains are skipped. Now onto that 8th chain we will make our first double crochet. So yarn over, skip 7 chains and insert your hook onto that 8th chain, then grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. This is your first double crochet and you will get your first square here. Now chain 2 and then skip 2 chains, and onto that 3rd chain we will make another 1 double crochet. Okay, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. As you can see, we have created 2 squares. Then again chain 2, skip 2, and then onto the 3rd we will make our double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. 3 square box done. This will create a mesh pattern. Chain 2, skip 2 chains, and onto that 3rd we will again yarn over, insert the hook into the 3rd chain, grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. Again chain 2, then skip 2 chains, and onto that 3rd insert the hook, grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is the mesh pattern and you have to continuously doing this till the last of the chain. We did this and this mesh pattern created. Now chain 5 and then flip your work. Okay, then yarn over and make 1 double crochet onto the top of the previous one which we have created. Okay, 1, 2, chain 2, then again 1 double crochet onto the top of the previous which we have created into the first row. Okay, this pattern you have to follow till the end, that is chain 2 and 1 double crochet onto the top of previous one, you will continuously doing this till the end, and at the end you have to make your last double crochet onto the top of 3rd chain. Okay, let me get there and I will explain you there itself. With similar pattern you have to continuously making 4 rounds. Okay, this is the second round which we are working and we will continuously doing that till the 4th round, and I will show you that how you have to end this second row. See, this is the last one. You have to count the 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the third chain, and we will make our last double crochet into that third chain. Okay, then chain 5, and then flip your work and start doing similar pattern, that is one double crochet onto the top of the previous one, then chain 2, then one double crochet onto the top of previous one till the end, and at the end you have to make one double crochet onto the third chain. Okay, continuously doing that till the end of round 4. Here we have completed 4 rounds, you can see that. See, I have created 4 rounds of this mesh. Now we will make the one double crochet onto the top of third chain, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Now we will just end it. If you want more broader strip of that mesh ribbon, you can increase the number of rounds. I will just end it here by chaining 1, and remember to left enough yarn tail, because that will be used to tie the bow. See, this is how much yarn I have left. You can also leave this much of yarn tail. Okay, so our mesh bow pattern is completed. Now we will move on to the tail pattern. Okay, we have to make simply what we have made in that is slip knot, and now we have to chain 131. I have completed 131 chains here. Now I will add little 7 more extra chains to this. Okay, so 6 and 7 chains done, this 7 chains. Now we will skip this 7 chains. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and on to that 8th chain we will make our first double crochet. So this is how we will make our first double crochet. You will get your first square, then again chain 2, skip 2 chains, and onto that third chain we will make our first double crochet again. So you have to follow the similar pattern which you have made onto that bow. Similar pattern we will make it for tail. Okay, the only difference is that I am going to make only 2 rounds in this. If you want, you can increase the number of rounds. If you want broader tail, you can definitely increase the number of rounds. And at the end of each round, you know very well that you have to make your last double crochet onto the top of third chain. See, I am gonna complete it here till the end, which we have made this on the bow pattern. Similarly, on the tail pattern I have only made 2 rounds, and I am ending with this with by making the last double crochet. Okay, see, onto the top, then chain 2, 1 and 2, and then last double crochet onto the top of third chain. We will similarly end this by taking the chain 1 at the end and cut the yarn. Okay, the tail is ready, the bow is ready. Now I will show you how to end it. Okay, so first of all, take the bow, uh, take your tapestry needle as well, and join the both ends with that. See, first of all, let me give you the full look. this is how it will look. Okay, here we will create a bow pattern, and this is will be the tail of your bow. Okay, so first of all we will join both the ends of this bow in the middle. So how we are gonna do that? For that we will require a tapestry needle. Okay, insert your yarn into it, and then with the help of both the ends, join it by making a zigzag pattern as I am showing it in the video. Normally what we use in the swing pattern when we sew something, that only we will gonna do. Done with swing the pattern with the tapestry needle. Okay, now I will make a knot. See, this is how I made the knot, and I have ended the pattern. Okay, now we will just give it a bow pattern as I am showing it in the video. This is how you will hold your bow. Grab the yarn tail and make a knot at the end, at back side actually. See, done. Then here we will tie a knot at the back. Now we will join the tail to the bow. This is how you have to keep the tail, and this is how we will gonna take the bow. Okay, just reverse it and make sure to insert your yarn into these two squares. If you don't want to do this, you can simply use a hot glue gun as well. I will mention that items as well into the description box below, their links into the description box below. You can use that as well. I normally use that B7000 glue to stick it. Okay, here I have tied the knot, and your bow is done. Now I just have to attach a clip to it. It is done. Also, whatever yarn tails are remaining, you can weave all the ends using a tapestry needle as I am showing it in the video, or you can simply cut them. It's your choice. I prefer to weave the ends and then I will cut them. Now we will attach this tic tac clip to the back side. You can attach that alligator clips, you can attach a rubber band, it's your choice. The bow is ready. Here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching.